An introduction to the dual range sound level meter. It is supplied with a hard carry case, an acoustic foam wind muffler and battery. The instrument is ideal for monitoring health and safety applications to monitor sound levels and meet the IEC 60651 Type 2 International Standard. It has a standard 4mm camera bush for tripod mounting. The display is a high contrast LCD and has function indicators. It has a display backlight for work in low light environments. It has a measurement range from 30 decibels up to 130 decibels over two selectable ranges, being 30 to 100 decibels or 60 to 130 decibels. It has selectable A or C frequency weightings. It also features fast and slow response filters. Fast response has a sampling rate of once every 125 milliseconds, whilst slow response has a sampling rate of every 1 second. There is a data hold function. By selecting this, the current reading will be frozen on the display even if the measured values change. There is a max hold function. By selecting this, the instrument continually monitors and detects different sound levels, but will only display the highest recorded value. It has an auto power off function after 15 minutes of no activity. It also has a low battery indicator.